With the Pentera Tools punch list feature, you can seamlessly communicate and assign responsibility to different punch list items related to your project. Start by selecting your project. Click on the Punch List tab in the navigation menu. Your punch list page will showcase all punch lists you have. To create a new punch list item, click on the Add Item button. In the new pop-up window, start by assigning the punch list item. Click on the Assign To icon to assign the punch list to one of your project contacts. Enter the name of the punch list item in the title field. Assign a due date for the punch list item by clicking on the Due field and selecting the due date from the calendar. Click on the Category field and type in the relevant category for the punch list item. The item number field will automatically populate based on the number of punch list items added. Set the priority of the punch list item by clicking on the Priority Level drop-down menu. You have 4 priority levels: low, medium, high, or critical. Select the priority level most appropriate for this item. In the Location field, add specific details of the exact location of the punch list item needing completion. If there are any notes associated with the punch list item, add them directly in the Notes section. Similarly, if any attachments are related to the specific punch list item, click in the Attachments field to upload. To add a comment to the punch list item, click on the Comments field box and type any additional comments or information needed. Once the punch list item is saved, the project manager associated with the project will receive an email notification. The assigned team member will also receive an email and push notification on the Pentera Tools mobile app. On the punch list homepage, you will see all punch list items for this project, including the status, priority, and due date. To see the status of a specific item, click on the punch list item. The Ball in Court field will indicate who is currently responsible for the punch list item. To update the status of a punch list item, select the item assigned to you. You will find 3 statuses at the top: Not Resolved, Work Completed, and Resolved. Click on the appropriate status of the punch list item and click Save. Once the status of the punch list item has been changed, everyone associated with that item will receive an email notification. To export your punch list, select the Export button at the top of the page. To customize your punch list settings, click on the Settings gear. Under the Permissions settings, you can edit who is allowed to create punch list items. To select contacts allowed to create punch list items, click on the blue pencil icon next to Creators and select from the list. In the Notifications section of the pop-up window, you can designate which contacts receive which type of notifications for the punch list items.